small business owners, in this video I'll be talking about the different types of budgeting methods. And I'll be giving you examples of how each one can be used to help your small business thrive. First, let's discuss the most basic budgeting method, the static budget. A static budget is one you create at the beginning of the year and then stick to it no matter what happens. This method is great for businesses that have predictable income and expenses. For example, a small retail store that makes most of its sales during the holiday season might use a static budget to plan for inventory and staffing during that time. A flexible budget is one you create at the beginning of the year, but then adjust as needed based on changes in income and expenses. This method is great for businesses that have inconsistent income or expenses. For example, a small service-based business that relies on client projects might use a flexible budget to adjust for unexpected changes in project scope or timeline. Another budgeting method is zero-based budgeting. Zero-based budgeting is a method where you start with zero base and then add in money for each item or category which you want to spend money. This method is great for businesses that want to have strict control over their expenses and make sure that every dollar is allocated with specific purpose. For example, a small business that wants to reduce its expenses and increase its profit might use zero-based budgeting to allocate its expenses based on its priorities. Finally, there is performance-based budgeting. A performance-based budget is based on the performance of the business rather than a set amount of income or expenses. This method is great for businesses that want to tie their budget to specific performance metrics. For example, a small e-commerce business that wants to increase its website traffic might use a performance-based budget to allocate money towards SEO and website optimization. So, there you have it. A quick review of the different budgeting methods out there and examples of how each can be used to help your small business thrive. Remember that the best budgeting method for your business is the one that works for you and your specific needs now. And as always, feel free to reach out if you have any questions or need more information.